What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. This morning I want to go over NNDM. Something beautiful just happened. But before I do that, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market. And I love to share it with anybody who is open to listen. So that being said, let's just get right into NNDM. You feel me? NNDM topping at 1049. Broke the 10s cleanly today. Oh, it's looking beautiful. I'm loving the run that we're finally getting with NNDM. As you can see, once it finally broke, the resistance of the 797, we had a clear straight shot in 2 days to the 9s, and then again just broke cleanly all the way to the 10s. As I've said in my previous videos, if you guys have not watched them already, please go back and do so. That once we broke the 9s, we had a clear shot to the 14s. And, I still see that very well happening. But for anybody interested in this stock at the moment, I suggest that, you just wait for a dip, because obviously we're having this nice big parabolic move from right here from the 6 to the 1050s. So I do see it having some type of drawback, potentially, covering this slight gap back to the 840s, potentially, or just dip all the way back to the 9s and bounce off that resistance, because resistance becomes support. But I just wanted to share with you guys this beautiful, beautiful break of 10. I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, you can't get no better break than this when you're looking into it. Right here, I mean, it's just a straight squeeze through the 10s. Boom. That is such a beautiful break in the 10s. I mean, you can't get no better than that break right there. I mean, that's just beautiful. I love seeing that kind of momentum. As you can see right here on the daily, we've been having huge volume picked up from when it was consolidating. This company continues to move in the right direction, man. Again, go watch those first videos that I did on NNDM and you'll see why I'm so bullish in here. I go over the charts. I go over the fundamentals. I go over the revenues. I go over the technology. All of it adds up, and you have to understand that when you're investing or trading something, you want to get all the details possible of this company. You want to do all the research as possible of this company. As you can see, in this one, I was originally in it in the 5s, but I was day trading at that position. And then again, when I realized how great this company was, I knew I could be in it for a nice swing. And again, in this one in particular, my average price is $6.59. We are obviously in the $10 range now, and I'm up almost $1,000 of profit on this particular position. So if anybody is interested in this stock, me personally, I would suggest to wait for some kind of drawback, some kind of dip. I'm still playing this out until the 14s, and then depending on what's going on in the 14s will determine whether or not I decide to stay in this stock or not, because it is a very healthy growth stock, man. I mean, everything about this company says it could be in the 15s and potentially the 20s in 2021, potentially higher. But, I'm waiting for more catalysts to come out. I'm waiting for reports, anything I find interesting that I want to research. That will determine what I'm going to do once it reaches that $14 range. But I just wanted to go over this quick technical analysis. A beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. Everything about this chart pattern today is beautiful. Again, we're starting to see some overextension in the daily. So if anybody's interested in buying, I would wait for a dip, because we probably will see some type of correction, as you see in every one. You see this nice run here, drops. See this nice run here, drops. See this nice run here, drops. And now we're having another nice run. So, a part of me wanted to sell some of my position today and then repurchase on the dip. But I had already solidified and, I've come to determine what I wanted to do with this stock already when I bought it. And I told myself I want to get out on the 14s. So, a part of me kind of wants to trade it, but I have to have conviction in my thesis. And so I'm going to hold my conviction in my thesis and maintain holding this until it gets into those 14 levels. And then I will determine what I'm going to do at that point. But for those of you that are late in the game, this is obviously still a good buy. For me personally, because I do see this in the $14 range, $14, $15 range sometime in the near future. So if you think about it, if you're buying in the 10s and you're getting out in the $14 to $15 range, we're talking 40 to 50% profit on your money. So just a quick review on the technical analysis of NNDM. It's such a beautiful Wednesday, and you're seeing the volume pick up late day, which is beautiful. I love seeing that. If you could see all this heavy volume, all this green, we got buyers galore right now. So, everything is looking beautiful for NNDM. We probably are most likely going to have some kind of dip pretty soon because this thing is overextended a lot more than I thought. I honestly thought we'd have more of a kind of like a grind like this. As you can see, the size of the candle, which is the volatility. But we had one big move and then a nice gap up and then another gap up and then now having a nice big push and topped out at 1049. And it's still maintaining and holding, and it could very well still break this 1049 and run to 11. It could very well do that. Everything is looking great for this stock. So just a quick technical analysis on NNDM breaking the 10s. Oh, I love it when it breaks the 10s. It's such a beautiful thing to see. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think NNDM will be at the end of this year. Let me know what you think the price is going to be at 2021. If you leave a comment, I'll respond as soon as possible. Again, if you watch this far, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. Again, man, you can't stop. Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially your finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So again, man, still bullish on NNDM, still a potential buy on the dip from this nice run where you could still potentially make a good 40, 50, maybe 60% profit in the short term. So that's going to be it for NNDM, guys. Till next time, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm out. Peace.